Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Gallery app and selecting albums or pictures at the bottom. Now you need to select one of your albums or just hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Either way, when you're ready, tap on those type of dots at the top left corners. Now, to exclude some photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, select Delete at the bottom next to More. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!